Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can unassemble, clean the cooler for heating purpose if your machine overheat. So how you can fix the problem by cleaning your cooler and opening your machine and clean inside. And you can replace other drive if you want, for example RAM or HDD. So you can see the model number Asus Vivo X540U. There we go. You can see the back side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screw to take out. I'm gonna use a Phillips 4-headed screwdriver for this process. So I've taken out all the screw. So now I'm going to unassemble this one. I'm gonna use a card. You can use old credit card or plastic to slide down as this. So you put your finger those two sides, try to lose this one, take it up as this little bit. You put card inside, you have to roll back all the way. Do it carefully, roll back all the way till all sides. Okay, and after gently you can take this off, but don't take off directly because two connector is already connected in this case. You see this and two connector is connected, so I have to lose this connector here. So this is out, and another this one. You have a black things. Pull up, it will come out. So let me show you how it was. So it was down as this. Here you see you have same connector. For cleaning the machine and the cooler, I'm gonna use two type of brush. One big brush you see and one beautiful looking brush as this. So you see the cooler is super dirty, is full of dust. So this can cause big heating problem to your laptop. So in this case, I'm gonna using a small brush at the beginning to take out the dust. Now I'm gonna use a vacuum cleaner in this process to take out all the dust by force. So this is how you can unassemble and clean your Asus Vivo notebook